Today I'm going to be trying some weird outfit combinations from your comments.
Okay, the next one is dress and jorts. This is not a weird combination anymore. This is a sick combination. We need a t-shirt though. I can't be naked.
I'm not used to taking pictures of my feet. Sorry.
It works, but I'm never doing this ever again. I hate it.
Respectfully, no.
Eve, like weird core. Someone out there is following.
Hello? It's Friday. You know what that means. Another video. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying some weird outfit combinations from your comments. I've picked out 5. I have not pre-planned the outfits. I've just got like the pieces out. So God knows if this is going to work. Who knows if this is going to look good. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. First up, we have jorts, tights, and leg warmers. Now, with this one, I do kind of already do this, but I wanted to give it a go anyway. I would love to do this one with like colored or patterned tights. I don't have any, so just know to make this a little bit weirder, someone out there needs to try it with like red tights. But I only have these tights, the ones that match my skin tone, so we're gonna go with these. So that's kind of, sort of, kind of cheating. But hey, technically speaking, it's not, because I am wearing tights and leg warmers and jorts. So there. The jorts that I've picked are these, mainly because I haven't worn them in ages, and also, although I wear my black shorts a lot, I haven't tried this out with these yet. Amazing. I did get this new top. Guys, it's a Spider-Man t-shirt. And I got it for £2 because it was in the kids section. But these two together, now obviously the tights go with it. Sure. Now we could either do leg warmers like this color or red. I do have red leg warmers. The reds aren't exactly the same, but like allow it. Okay, this could work. These two things together do work really well, but it's kind of boring. Okay, I'm literally wearing leg warmers and tights, but I want to add an overshirt, I think. Red would be too much. We should add the blue in again. Okay, I literally got this shirt recently as well. That might work. This might be my first outfit. Leg warmers, tights, and jorts. Go on, Smidge, try it on. Now this one, oh my, I freaking love this one. Oh, I didn't even put the shirt on. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Why am I actually Peter Parker? Why am I actually him? And I've got the leg warmers and tights on, guys. Okay, so I did the thing. I did a thing. This is not a weird combination anymore. This is a sick combination. I'm gonna rate it like a 10 out of 10. Let's do the next one. The next one is fun as well. We are layering skirts. Me layering skirts before. La 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 la. The number one tip for this one is if you have skirts that have shorts attached, you obviously have to like work around that. These are the skirts I've picked out because I usually wear this one underneath stuff because of the lace. And because we're doing weird combinations, I want to try something new. So I'm gonna wear this on top this time round. So it's like a double waistband. So these are the colors that we're working with. Well, right off the bat, it is cold, so I want to add leg warmers to this. I kind of want to try my layering thing, where I take these arm warmers I made and then these leg warmers, which are low-key dirty soz, and like layer them like that. Do you see what I'm saying? We need a t-shirt though. I can't be naked. I could wear this. Oh my god, what is that? Smidge merch? No way. No way.
A few minutes later.
Wait, but you need to see the waistband, so it does need to be like a crop top maybe. Okay, back to the drawing board. I need like a beigey, yellowy thing. Waiter, can I order one beigey, yellowy thing, please? Well, that's a vest, but I'm gonna be freezing cold. Another vest, wow, who's surprised? Another vest. Maybe we just vest it up, because I just have so many vests, apparently. I do have this, which could be fun. Okay, chat, here's the vision. This vest, and this. I think these are both from Vinted, actually. Layered over the top. Wait, oh my god, cute. Wait. Layered tops, layered skirts, layered leg warmers. That's actually quite cute. Go try that on, Smidge.
This is one of those outfits where it's like me playing dress up. I would never like actually wear this. Well, I don't know. The whole like double layer thing and well, actually the layers going on everywhere. So cute. Oh my god, I cut these thumb holes. Wait, despite everything, it's still you. Having the waistband shown, kind of underrated. We've like learned something new here together. This one gets like a 6.5 out of 10. The method itself, like a 7. The outfit, I would need everyone to like walk around with their eyes closed.
The next one is jeans/trousers with leg warmers. I think I've done this once before. Now, the fact that I've done it once is hopefully a sign that I didn't like it. It didn't hit for me, but I do want to give it a go. I've picked out these jeans to do it with because there's something about like the grittiness of this that I feel like leg warmers and trousers are going to look bizarre no matter what you do, so I want to full send commit to the weirdness. Does that make sense? I have grey leg warmers, but I kind of want to try these. I don't know if that would work at all. Yeah, I don't think that's fitting. Okay, backtrack. What about these? Yeah, no, that's not fitting either, I don't think. Let's just like build this up. T-shirt wise, why do I kind of want to do just like a hoodie? Let's do the Vi hoodie that we made in my merch video. Look how cool it is. Like zipped all the way up with these, this scarf. I've done everything but the leg warmers because like I'm terrified. These are like my scrunch socks. You like wear them and then you scrunch them up. And it's in the name. I feel like that could work, but then I have to add white somewhere. White t-shirt. I unzip the hoodie. I think I'm gonna do this with this shirt and then the leg warmers. We'll give that a go. We will see. Go try that on, Smidge. Okay, this one is definitely weird. I think I might have said that for the last one. Oh, well, hey, you guess it's the name of the video. Taking pictures of this one has been so hard because how the hell do I do that? I'm not used to taking pictures of my feet. Sorry. I think it low-key works. There's something so weird about it that I think it works. I give this one's very comfy. Overall, I'm gonna give this like a 6 out of 10 because it's definitely weird. It doesn't look horrible. Leg warmers with the jeans, it's like, I don't know. It kind of does give me like pantaloons. I'm starting to get really dizzy from taking and putting these clothes all back on. So let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one is wearing a dress as a skirt. Now, I don't actually have a lot left. I got rid of most of my dresses, but I have one that we're actually going to use for the next two because I only have this one. And it's kind of long, so I want to kind of wear it as a maxi skirt. These next two, I think, it's kind of giving Eve, like with her style that she posts on Instagram. So I'm channeling that. Wait, maybe in that vein, we should wear the apple jumper. This is a skirt and then this over the top. This is cute. This might not need anything else other than like, obviously if I was going out, I'd wear like a bag and a jacket. I feel like this one's kind of easy. You just wear it lower. That's the hack. If you want to like keep it in place and whatever, just like belt it. Awesome. Smidge, go on. Okay, this one does not suit me at all. I'm not used to seeing myself like this. As dressed as a skirt. I just don't know if I suit maxi skirt. Maybe it's just because it's so flowy and everything. I'm like, wow, this does not suit me. It's so feminine. He says wearing bunches, whatever. You can shut up. But it works. I'm wearing a dress as a skirt. It's like a go-to thing. This is getting a 2 out of 10. It works, but I'm never doing this ever again. I hate it. Respectfully, no. Okay, the next one is dress and jorts. Now this is the strangest one actually. I know I said that about the other one, but this is weird. But there's something about it that's kind of like, ooh, Pinterest model Eve, like weird core. Someone out there is following. The black dress with these shorts. And then to shake it up a bit, I got this top recently. It's got cool stuff on it. And I low-key just feel like that would go. I mean, it's black, so there we go. That's the idea, that's the vision. Go try that on. Last outfit. Who cried? Who cried? One in chat if you cried. I did. Oh, I'm flashing red. I need to hurry up. Okay, now this one. I put the dress over the t-shirt I wanted to wear and it didn't look good. So I put it on underneath. So I am wearing the dress. It's just like underneath. Hello. And then the jorts. And there's something about it that's kind of like a bit weird. I think longer jorts would make it a bit more obvious that it's jorts. I think this is like a 7. Maybe a 6. Is this the last one? Wait, my heart is breaking for you. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, make sure to give a like and subscribe, of course. Merch out right now. It's pretty cool. There's a bunch of stuff. You can get it if you want. It's cool. And I send thank you videos with every order. So, and of course, shout out to all the supporters on the website. You are the best. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye.